Entering a hostile zone can be unpredictable for any aircraft. Bullets, anti-aircraft flak, shrapnel. A single stray impact can severely endanger any operation. SMPP is today a world leader in armoring, be it personal armor or for air, land and sea platforms. SMPP offers lightweight, ballistic solutions for air platforms, protecting vital areas and crucial parts of helicopters and aircrafts. India's indigenously developed light combat helicopter, designed for high-altitude warfare, is one of the latest to be fitted with SMPP's lightweight armor panels that are able to stop lethal 12.7 mm B-32 API bullets from anti-aircraft guns, as well as 7.62 mm API hard steel core ammunition. These armor panels are specifically designed to protect the pilot and co-pilot from all sides, including from beneath, as well as critical parts of helicopter including engine and hydraulic pack. For India's indigenously developed light utility helicopter, critical for high-altitude operations, SMPP has produced an array of armor panels that protect the cockpit, pilot and co-pilot. These panels are tested for resistance to all fluids, including water, chemicals, oil and fuel. Able to sustain extreme temperatures from plus 70 degrees centigrade to minus 55 degrees centigrade. Built to withstand high levels of vibration. Able to withstand acceleration up to high G levels. Compliant to latest environmental tests as per MIL 810G. Flame resistant. Extremely lightweight. With a bolt-on system, easy to install and remove. Over the past decade, SMPP has developed an enviable recognition in the international defense spectrum and today provides armor kits for some of the world's largest aircrafts, offering vital protection for critical areas like bulkhead and front shield. SMPP has delivered numerous kits for different platforms, including Chinook, Airbus, Augusta, and armored complex areas like helicopter seats. The unique advantage of SMPP has been the in-house ceramic manufacturing, which allows for large monolithic panels, complex curved panels, unique capability to provide ceramics with inbuilt holes, thus ensuring uncompromised protection. Today, SMPP has rightfully earned a trusted name in ballistic protection amongst defense forces all around the world.
हमारे इंडिजनाइजेशन एफर्ट्स का एक और अच्छा परिणाम SMPP नामक भारतीय कंपनी द्वारा इंडियन आर्मी के लिए बुलेट प्रूफ जैकेट्स का निर्माण है और मुझे इस बात पर गर्व है कि इस भारतीय कंपनी ने इस प्रोडक्ट के लिए कॉम्पिटिटिव बिडिंग में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी हासिल किया है और मुझे यह भी बताया गया है कि यह कंपनी टाइमली डिलीवरीज को लेकर भी बहुत ही प्रॉम्प्ट है, बहुत ही सजग है और यह एक बेहतरीन उदाहरण है कि कैसे प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स हमारे डिफेंस सेक्टर को और अधिक आत्मनिर्भर बना रहे हैं तथा साथ ही ग्लोबल स्टैंडर्ड्स को भी वह पूरी तरह से मैच कर रहे हैं।
SMPP, living up to its motto of protecting those who protect us.